coconut barfi or coconut squares from KSP Creation this time. For this I have taken about one medium sized coconut, grate it with a grater, or you can cut the coconut into small pieces and grate it in a mixer grinder very finely. Now see, I have grated the coconut. Now you have to measure this grated coconut with the cup. Now don't just put the coconut and press it tightly. Just put the coconut lightly and measure it. It measures about 2 cups. Now for this I have taken about 1 cup of sugar, put it in a hard bottom pan and take about 1/4 cup of milk and pour it over the sugar. Keep aside. For this pre-preparation is needed. Take a big plate and then add about 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of oil and grease it properly, so that your squares of coconut do not stick to the bottom. Now keep the hard bottom pan over the gas with a medium flame. Let the sugar melt. Now you will see a thin string like consistency. Then you have to add the coconut. In the meanwhile, if you like our channel, don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and relatives. Then don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to leave a comment so that we get motivated. And don't feel shy to message or comment which recipe you would like to see from KSP Creations. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get motivated. You get the notifications of our new videos which we will be posting. The mixture is thickened. Now you have to add cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix properly to the coconut mixture. See, the mixture is thickened. Now you have to transfer off the gas and transfer this mixture to the greased plate. Here the mixture goes to the greased plate. Now to the bottom of the bowl, apply a little ghee and then flatten the mixture very thinly so that you get the perfect squares. Now after it is cooled, then you can do it with a hand. Now cut it into squares of your shape or diamond shape. It's up to you. Now decorate it with the dry fruits of your choice, and give it to the children as a party snack or tea time snack. They will love it. Thanks for watching our channel so patiently. See you in our next video.